You're welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I use ready-made wraps here. You can get this from supermarket. I got this from a store unexpectedly, so I decided to give a trial, and it was so beautiful. Seriously, it was pretty good and nice. Even though it's remaining, you can still save. This is my first time of trying it, so I'm just like trying different mists to see whether I can get it right. Okay, join me as I give it a trial. For the gumming, I'm using water and flour and a little salt. I mix both together for those gumming. Will I call it gumming or sticking part of it? I don't know. Just to stick this thing together. Yes, you will see it here. This is my water, flour, and salt. Just a little salt to it, just to gum it up. So if you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love. Look at that, it's looking so big, so I need to divide into two and still give it a trial. So feel free to explore this lovely channel, because I believe I have more than 500 videos, well detailed videos that you will enjoy. Yes, so be a part of this channel by only clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my new video. Whenever I send new video, you will get an alert. And to my old subscribers, you're all welcome back again. Don't forget to like this video. Look at me, I'm just like trying out things to see how possible it will come out. So join me as we do this together. In case you want to know how to prepare the wraps yourself, I still have a video on that. I think I will still put on the description box, or you check it out on my video, YouTube video. I have a well-detailed video on how you can prepare everything all in one video and enjoy. Yes, so feel free to check out that particular video. Look at that, this is coming out beautiful. So I will continue till the end. For the samosa, I decided to make it a bit round because I'm used to making round wraps. Yes, if you've watched my video where I prepared my own wraps, you'll notice my wraps comes out in a round shape. So I said, let me try it in a round shape and see whether it will still come up pretty. Like I said, this is my first time of trying out already made wraps, and I'm just like trying to bring out things that will work out well for me. Yes. If you're joining me to fold, where you put your filling is the second to the last wrap in the center. And that's where you will put the filling. Yes, you need to have a paper towel, neat paper towel by the side to clean out your work surface because of the drippings from our gum. Yeah, the gum were made with flour, salt and water, so the drippings touched on your work surface, make sure you clean it out so that it will not create a whole mess on your already made wraps. Look at what I'm doing. This is pretty easy, so give it a try. Just try. If you want to like try it, feel free. Just go to supermarket, you ask for ready-made wraps, or you right now Google is everything, so you can browse where you can buy already made samosa wraps. Yeah, you can still get. So that is that. I was so happy meeting these wraps today, so, and I'm grateful it's coming out pretty beautiful. God is too good. This is lovely. You can see second to the last, that's where you put your filling, rub your sticker, that's our gum, and you close it up. Look at the beautiful. So that's the way we'll be continuing till we are done. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. You're welcome. My old subscribers, I appreciate you a whole lot for always tuning into my videos. Thanks for encouraging me. Thanks for the comments. Feel free to like this video. If you have not liked it, give me thumbs up. Encourage me by just giving me thumbs up. Invite a friend to this lovely channel. Yes, this is so simple. This is very simple. Please, if you have not tried this, feel free to try. Like I said, if you can get these wraps, feel free to check out my videos that have from A to Z, samosa and spring roll making from A to Z. Yeah, this is all you need to do. Watch the full video and I promise you will get it right. So make sure your oil is hot and you fry. Look at that beauty. Please like this video, give me thumbs up, like my video. Finally, everything is ready. Look at that. Thanks a million for watching. Bye.